Hello everyone, this is Arulmozhi, Faculty in Physiotherapy from National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disability. During this pandemic, we are having a series of videos related to physiotherapy management for improving respiratory functions in a patient. So this video we are going to see about one of the technique called blowing exercises, when it has to do it, how it has to do, and what are the effects of doing all these exercises. We all know that the novel coronavirus will enter the human body through nasal droplets or respiratory droplets or from human to human contact. So once it enters the body, it will directly affect the lungs and produces some respiratory complications like acute respiratory distress syndrome, reducing oxygen level and breathlessness. By doing blowing exercises, we are strengthening the diaphragm muscle and also the abdominal muscles. The diaphragm muscle is a main muscle for doing a normal respiration. When to do it? The patient comes out of a acute phase of COVID, means once the patient got negative in the test and they are having a problem in the forced expiratory techniques like huffing and coughing. That time we can do all this blowing exercises. Now we are going to see a simple blowing exercise. Simple expiration exercises can start with blowing a candle, or you can use a pieces of paper, or you can use thermoballs to do a expiration activities. These exercises can done 3 cycles for 3 sets. Same exercises can be done using a straw. So the straw will increases the resistance to expiration so that it will be helpful in strengthening the diaphragm muscle. In this, first we are going to see about the bubble blowing exercises, where you can ask the patient to take a deep breath and ask him to blow air through a straw into the soap water cup to make the bubbles as much as possible, and ask them to repeat the inspiration as well as the expiration activities. This can be done 3 cycles for 3 sets. The exercise can be done in variations like using a paper cups, pom balls, or normal water in the cup. The next level of blowing exercises is your incentive spirometer. Along with the resistance to your expiration, it will gives your visual feedback. First, you have to keep your spirometer in the reverse manner, and you have to ask the patient to take a deep breath and ask him to blow the air through the pipe as much as possible. So initially you will have a raise in one ball and ask him to put a more effort so that the second ball also will raise. So in this way you have to repeat the activities. So the activities can be repeated for 10 to 15 times for 2 to 3 times a day. The next level of exercise is balloon blowing exercises. This exercise will increases the resistance to the diaphragm muscle as well as the abdominal muscle, so that it will strengthen the diaphragm as well as the abdominal muscles. So in this you have to ask the patient to take a deep inspiration and ask him to blow out into the balloon as much as possible. Ask him to repeat the activity for 3 cycles for 3 sets. The next level of exercise is 90-90 bridging with balloon blowing. It's a complex activity because it will concentrate both on blowing the air in the balloon as well as they have to maintain the posture. As they are concentrating on both things, it will strengthen the diaphragm as well as improves their posture. For this, first you have to ask the patient to lie on their back and keep their feet on the wall. It should be in the 90-90 degree position, and you have to ask the patient to keep their hands by side on the near the head, and ask the patient to take a deep inhalation and ask him to blow out into the balloon. So we have to ask the
three,
patient to
four.
repeat the activities. So this can also done 3 cycles for 3 sets. When to stop these exercises? If the patient having fatigue or they having abdominal pain or cramps, then you have to stop the exercise or you can reduce the intensity of all the exercises. In all the exercises, you have to concentrate that while taking a deep breath, your abdomen should come out, and while you are doing a blowing out activities, your expiration, then your abdominal should go inside.